To enroll in the doctorate you have been admitted to, you must access the academic portal and register using the student number and the course code that were sent in the admission email. If you are already a student, you should log in using your student number and password. If you can't remember your password, you should recover it. After logging in, confirm that your profile has the right course selected and click on. Then click on Enroll Units Curricular. Click on Prepare Enrollment. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Proceed. On this page, you will need to confirm your personal details. All items marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. Click on Confirm. Your enrollment is now ready. Please click on Enrollment Service. Click on Continue Registration Enrollment. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Continue. Choose the option Enrollment Form Personal Data. On this page, you will need to fill in your personal details. There are 3 tabs that you need to complete. All the items with the red asterisk are mandatory. Then, click on Save Personal Data. Now, click on Paying Debts. If you want a payment and invoicing to be made by another entity, click on Yes. Otherwise, just click No. And click on Confirm. Here you'll have to choose the items you will pay for. Remember that payments for school insurance and the first installment of tuition fees are mandatory to complete your enrollment. Click on Items to Pay. Choose your payment method and click on Next. If you choose the ATM reference method, you will need to scroll down until the references appear and pay at an ATM or via home banking. Those references are valid for 48 hours. After payment, access the academic portal again and click on Enrollment in Curricular Units. Then, click on Continue Registration. Here you will need to upload the mandatory documents for your enrollment. Click on Next. On this page, you will have to check all the details. Select full-time or part-time. Then, click on Continue. On this page, you only have to select the curricular units for your school year. Select the course units in the various periods available and click Next. Confirm if all the details are correct, and then click on Confirm. Click on Next. Now your enrollment is complete. You should print or save your proof of enrollment by clicking on the blue link.